Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another few very important example related to DatePipe, where we will learn how to use ShortTime, LongTime and MediumTime pipe operators to get the desired output as a time. Okay, but before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out this book which is called Sharmit digital course book, where you will find the thousands of free of cost learning material, and this link is also given in the description, so you can check this out, and if you have any suggestion you can share in the comments. And also for more complete courses like this, please do subscribe to this Sharmit YouTube channel. Okay, fine. So now we will continue with the session, and let me keep it in the end so you can refer it later. Okay, fine. So now what we are going to do, we are going to learn about the time related pipe options. Okay, we know that how to fetch the date related part, but what if we want to fetch the time related thing? So for that, what you can do, you can simply go to app.component.ts file. Here in this TS file we have one import section where you can put the name of the module which you need to get the pipe. We all know that for pipe we need a common module, so you just need to write here common module in the import part. Just write here common module. So once you write common module here, it will add this thing, and once it is added, that means your common module is successfully imported, and now you can simply use it in your program. Okay, now this thing is ready, and if you take your mouse cursor here and if you check, you will find that export all the basic Angular directives and pipe. So from here you can get all the things. Now next thing is we want to perform these operations on time, right? So for that, what we can do, we can create one variable which can hold the current date. So let me add current date variable, and the type would be date only. So we will write date, then equal, and equal, after equal we will write new, and then the date. Perfect. So now you can see it is saved, and that means now you are good to go with this program. And here we can utilize this variable which is currently holding the new date. Now let's go to app.component.html. Here in this HTML you will find that we have this thing H119 course by Sharmit, and this information is for the viewers. Now we will add one H2 here where we will write the basic thing like the title of this session. Okay, so we will write Angular date pipe for short time, medium time and long time. Okay, so this is our agenda. Let's try to run this application. ng serve -, open, enter. Let's wait for a few seconds and then it will show you the output. Okay, it is throwing error. Where it is throwing error? Oh, okay, maybe we are getting error here. So either we can make it as a comment, or for now I'll just remove it now, because this is just for your information purpose. Perfect. So now you can see it is coming like this: Angular 19 course by Sharmit, Angular date pipe for short time, medium time and long time. Now to implement this thing, firstly we will print the as it is value, and then one by one we will perform the operations on it. So for that you just need to write here paragraph tag. In this paragraph tag we will write current date without Angular pipe. Okay, current date without Angular pipe, then colon, then double curly braces. In this double curly braces we will put the name of the variable which we created with the name current date, and perfect. Now you can save it and refresh your program. So you will find that current date without Angular pipe is coming as Thursday, July 24, 2025 10:49:51 GMT plus 5:30 Indian Standard Time. So this is the current format we are getting. Now our requirement is to fetch the time related portion only. We don't want any date, we don't want any format or anything. We just want to fetch the time from it. So to fetch the time from it, what you can do, you can simply go to like you can simply create one paragraph here. I'll show you. Here we will write current date with angular pipe, then hyphen, and after a hyphen you will write here short time. Okay, then colon, then double curly braces, and here we will write short, not like this. Firstly we need to put variable, then pipe symbol. After a pipe we will write here keyword which is date, then colon, double curly braces. Inside this double curly braces we will write short let me correct it, short time. Perfect. Now you can save it. So once you save it and refresh your browser, you will see that this time it is providing only the time in hour, minute and AM PM. That means 10 is hour representing hour, 10, 50 is representing minutes, and AM PM is denoting the AM PM. Okay, so in short we have got the required time, but sometime like you might also need the seconds, maybe for some operation, for creating some timestamp or something, like you needed seconds also. So in that case we will utilize the medium time. Let me show you how. So for that we will add one paragraph here where we will write current date with angular pipe hyphen medium time, then colon, then double curly braces. After that we will write here current date pipe, and then we will write date, and then here we will write medium time. Now you can save it. So after a save you will see that we are getting the current time where the time is 10:52:21 AM. Now maybe you might be thinking like why it is matching with this time, because we are referring the current time in all places, right? So don't get confused that why it is updating it at the time, because they are in sync, they are using the same thing, and that is why like we are getting this. Okay, so I think this part is clear, and now you can see we are getting that hour, minutes, seconds with AM PM. Perfect. Now another requirement is let's say if, due to any reason we want to fetch the format also. Okay, so in case of format, what you can do, you can simply go here, write p tag. In this p tag you can write current date with angular pipe long time, then colon, then double curly braces where we will write current date, then pipe, and after that date, and then we will write here long time. So in this case what it will do, it will simply show you the time with the format also. So now you can see we are getting the value as 10:53:36 AM GMT plus 5. Okay, in actual date we have GMT 5:30, but we have GMT plus 5. Now there are other methods also where we can refer this thing, like we can simply change the time and date in a particular format as per our requirement, but that thing like we will discuss when we will be covering the topic of custom pipes. Okay, where we can create our own pipe, but for now we just discuss the predefined pipe with their other options that we can use. Okay, and another important thing is the time, the format. Okay, always make sure to put in the same case. Let's say if you change it to small t, so in this case it will give you the error. We are not getting the right data, right? We are getting the garbage value here. So always make sure that you provide the right case, like whatever you are writing, write it in a same case, because they are predefined thing, so it should match with the predefined names also, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to all of you, where we discussed about the current, short time, medium time and long time. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.